Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. On behalf of Nāṭyaśāstra, Chennai, its President Dr. Padma Subrahmanyam, Padma Vibhushan Awardee, and our entire artist group, it gives me great pleasure in greeting you all this evening. We are delighted to present Bhagavad Gita by Dr. Padma Subrahmanyam, which consists of 4 scenes. Because of the subject matter, the first scene commentary will be a little lengthier. Scene 1, Arjuna's confusion, his surrender to Krishna as disciple, and the Lord's revelation of Jnana Yoga. The scene starts with Lord Krishna, the divine charioteer, driving the chariot for Arjuna and placing it between the 2 armies of Pandavas and Kauravas. Krishna commands Arjuna to worship goddess Durga, the giver of victory in war. Arjuna sees that the enemy ranks are full of his own relatives. He is affected by sentimentality and refuses to wage war. Like the typical confused man evading his duty and philosophizing the same, Arjuna laments to Krishna thus: "What pleasure can we derive by killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? We will only be accruing sin by killing our cousins. They are blinded by greed and are not perceiving the evil of destruction of our family. They are not bothered about accruing sin through committing injustice to friends. But, O Krishna, why should we not turn away from this crime? It would be better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra killed me in the battlefield while I was unarmed and unresisting." Bhagavan says, "How did you get abominably confused like an uncultured fellow at this odd hour? This will neither bring you heaven for the other world nor fame for this world." Arjuna asked, "Madhusudana, how can I shoot my arrows at our worshipful Bhishma and Drona and fight against them? My mind is tainted with faint-heartedness. I am puzzled as to what is dharma. I plead with you, tell me what is decidedly correct. I am your disciple. I pray to you to instruct me, for I have sought refuge in you." Bhagavan explains, "Arjuna, all beings were unmanifest before they were born. They are manifest with form in the intermediate stage. They will all become unmanifest when they die. So, where is the need to lament? Just as a man discards worn out clothes and takes new ones, the soul casts off the worn out bodies and enters into new ones. The soul cannot be cut by weapons. Fire cannot burn it. Water cannot drench it, nor can wind dry it. Moreover, considering the Kshatriya Dharma, you cannot afford to waver, for there is nothing greater for a warrior than waging a righteous war, treating alike pleasure and pain, gain and loss, victory and defeat with equanimity. Get ready to fight. Such a mentality will not bring you sin. If one performs physical actions with a mind and body that have been subdued enough to give up craving for all subjects of enjoyment, he does not incur sin." Arjuna asked, "Keshava, what are the characteristics of a man of steady wisdom? How does he speak, sit, and walk?" Krishna explains, "Partha, when one thoroughly abandons all desires and enjoys self-contentment, he is a man of steady mind. If one's mind remains unperturbed in sorrow and happiness, with his thirst for pleasure altogether disappeared, and is also free from passion, fear, and anger, he is called a sage. Like the tortoise drawing its limbs within itself from all directions, when a man withdraws his senses from sense objects, he is called a man of steady wisdom. With a mind set on sense objects, man develops attachment to them. From attachment arises desire. From unfulfilled desire springs up anger. From anger is born infatuation. Infatuation leads to confusion in memory. This in turn develops destruction of the intellect, and with loss of reason, one invites complete ruin. The ocean, which receives water from the rivers from all sides, remains undisturbed. Likewise, a man of steady wisdom is at peace with himself, even while all enjoyments merge in him, for he is not the one who hankers after pleasures. O Arjuna, you and I have passed through many a birth. I know them all, while you do not. Whenever there is a decline in righteousness and unrighteousness is in the accent, I physically manifest myself. For the protection of the good and destruction of the evildoers, and for the establishment of dharma, I am born age after age. That is scene 1, Arjuna's confusion, his surrender to Krishna as disciple, and the Lord's revelation of Jnana Yoga.